are pleased to show you the 2016 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, rear wiper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.